activity. Confused to decorate her bedroom. She knows what she wants.
Correct? Okay, number 3. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Ayo. Giselle?
Me.
Yeah, Giselle. Michelle! Sorry, Michelle.
Can you recognize TGV3 easily if you go there without Google Maps?
Sing, Farah gets the next one. Next person. Who gets the microphone? This one, there is also the microphone. One more.
I'm scared.
Let's go.
If you can,
Hey, use your mic.
if you can pet wild animal, what animal will you pet?
Ding! Very good. Next person. Yes,
Me.
let's go. You can get the microphone.
A mother,
Okay. Oh my god.
a mother give birth, give birth a child, children, then mother and the father raise her together.
Okay, think very good.
No.
Next person.
No.
Give
No.
another one to your friends.
Me.
Let's go. Giselle first.
On the left side. Wait. In the, on the left side in TGFace building of TGFace building. No.
Let's go.
There is no dance residence.
Why is
So it little bit quietly.
Huh?
So
So,
it
eat,
little bit
eat.
it bit little. Oh, so it is little bit quietly. Oh yay!
Carol, let's go.
One. Last week when I was doing my homework in my bedroom, my mom called and she said that she would go home late.
Ding. Very good. Nice. Next. On. Okay, let's go. Hello. Here's the next one. Let's go.
My dad often says that he will sacrifice everything for the whole family.
Ding. Very good. Now, let's make it into the competition.
Me.
If you can get 3 scores, I will give you. Let's sacrifice.
Okay.
Chocolate. Okay.
No one.
The one.
I want.
You can give it to your parents. Style to give. Okay, let's go. What is in English? Mengorbankan.
Sacrifice.
Think very good, Carol. Carol 1. Remember your own school. Sometimes I forget. How do you say in English? Perumahan.
Dan presiden.
Perumahan.
Presiden.
Perumahan.
Residence.
Think very good. Try to write it
Oh.
in the whiteboard. Let's see you can write that or not.
I try it.
Let's try it.
What?
If wrong, you can steal it, guys.
Please help me.
So weak. So weak. Oh, funny. Residence. Oh, right now residence. I say. Why you draw a star? Huh? He was. That's why. Ah, think Americans.
No, me,
That's
I'm
why.
not.
Don't make a joke too much.
You're so stupid.
What? Next. How do you say in English? Kursus. If one. Hey, next question. If kursus yang berkualitas.
Curse.
Qualified.
Me.
Kursus yang berkualitas. Three.
Qualified kursus.
Qualified kursus.
Qualified course. Qualified course.
Let's go Giselle. You want to sing? Yeah, let's sing.
Qualified.
Yeah. Hum. Three. So I will ask you for answer. Hey.
Nah, apa
Kursus yang berkualitas.
qualified courses. Qualified
Qualified?
course.
Qualified course. Next. Second. Ew. How do you say this one in English? Apakah ibumu sibuk kemarin?
Does your mom
Ketot.
did your mom?
Ketot. Apakah ibumu sibuk kemarin?
I know.
Three.
Mimi. Was your mom busy yesterday? Busy. Me.
Apa Michelle bisa?
Was your mom yesterday?
Think.
No.
How many years for given?
Low.
0 you. 1 you. 2 you. 1 you. 1. Okay. Forgive me first. Give it because it's still 0. What is in English? Guru.
Teachers.
Alright.
Teacher.
Yes,
I can
alright.
take
1 point. Who gets 2 points actually? You, yeah. Who gets 1 point? For all of you, yeah. You silent first. I will send you to final. Okay, for 4 of you. How do you say in English? Murid-murid itu sedang belajar. You first. Let's go.
What? One the last Oreo.
What? You.
That student. The student.
The student.
Is studying.
Saya tahu is studying sedang belajar. Banyak.
Who want the last? The students studying.
You need something before studying.
Katan are studying. The student.
The student only. Tato.
Wait. I'm not. The students are studying. Studying. Wait, the last Oreo.
Very good. Now we go with the final. Carol and Michelle. Two of you. The one who can answer get the chocolates. Let's make it fast.
No.
Guys, 3 of you choose one vocabulary quiz or translation.
Translation.
Sentence or question? Sentence.
Yeah.
Okay, sentence. Easy. Past tense or not past tense?
Past tense.
Okay, past tense this one. Ketika Joyce sedang makan malam bersama keluarganya kemarin, seorang orang asing, seorang orang asing, a stranger, mengetuk pintu.
When Joey's was have a dinner.
Not was have dinner, you need to put sedang.
When Joey's
Don't make ASMR. Give the microphone.
when Joey's when Joey's was have had a when Joey's had a
Kalau not was had. Sedang loh guys.
no
When Joey's was having a dinner with
wait
her family, there was a stranger knock her door. Knock the door.
no
Yes, actually, correct.
Yay!
Give a applause to Carol. It's like Carol for you. You can share with your friends or up to you for yourself. That's okay. Thank you so much for coming. You can finish the snack first, guys.
already on
Bye.